we at?
We're at Wawa.
We're at Wawa somewhere in Philly. Fire. How is it?
I haven't tried it yet.
Go. Ooh.
It's pretty
That's good, it's valid.
It's like a watered down milkshake.
What's on the menu today, Addison? You're starting early, my guy?
Yeah, I'm starting real early.
You're not getting coffee?
No, I'm getting coffee, but Ray needs to make my shit.
If you guys are ever visiting US Air, you need to come to the store. They have coffee and they have hot bar. Hot bar is wavy.
Hot bar, go crazy.
Good morning from Wisconsin. It's gonna be crazy, it's gonna be rowdy. We're gonna get some coffee and wait for Jack and Paige to wake up. Today's video is pretty special. There's an event in Wisconsin called Riobash, driving 21 hours all the way to Wisconsin from Connecticut.
Sorry for the weather. I blame Ryan. He is our local weather creator. Forecast something different, please. But no, it shouldn't be raining all day and night, hopefully, so we'll kind of see. Our other weather creator, wherever Mike is, he said there's supposed to be some bigger storm, so blame him if it gets even worse.
You guys didn't want dust. No, it's supposed to hit pretty bad here in about 10-15 minutes, and then it's supposed to ease into itself in a nice sunny afternoon.
Yeah. So either way, right, there's a lot of drivers here. It's raining. You guys have a long day of driving, right? We're driving until 11 p.m., so there's plenty of time. So it's going to be busy in the morning. You know, take your time, take it.
Welcome. Thank you. This is year 5. So many of you have been here for all 5 years. So thank you. And those of you who are new, thank you even more to all of you. Every year I ask you to do a little something. The first year we talked about, make sure you check on your friends. And then we talked about paying it forward so that when someone is kind to you, if you pay kindness forward. Last year we talked about keeping our hands on one another's backs, and this year I just want to talk about how many people kind of look out for one another and look out for us, for Dave and I, and how much we appreciate that. And I believe that's because you guys, all of us, we all have a light that we carry inside of us. And, sometimes that's the best time to reach out to somebody else who looks like their light is dim too. I find that You guys tell me quite often that you're really feeling down or you're feeling low and somebody else reached out to you. And then I find out that the person who reached out to you also was maybe having a little bit of a rough time. So I just want you guys all to remember that you all carry a light inside of you. And there's nothing wrong with, put your hand on each other's backs. Tell people you love them. I know it's a little weird, but you all hear it from me, so I know you can do it.
Yeah, they're gonna pick. They're gonna pick.